What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL, and we are getting ready for our Friday afternoon Chase the Greats break. It's a 6-box mixer, so of course, as you can see, there's only 5 boxes sitting in front of us here. We do have a box of our Chase the Greats product. We will decide momentarily which box we're putting in there. We have a box of 15-16 Ultimate Collection, 15-16 O-Pee-Chee, 15-16 Contours. We got a box of 13-14 Ultimate. And we got a box of 12-13 Panini Classic, some of that old autograph stuff. All right, so this is mixer number 271. Your teams have already been decided, as you guys know by now. Corey is Detroit. I know I was supposed to get you Edmonton, like I said, but Detroit's pretty close, don't you think? Chad, Carolina. Greg got lucky again and hit Edmonton. He had also hit Anaheim and Chicago. Jeff is Boston. John Sanford, not so lucky, Nashville. Jason, Colorado. Mark is Toronto. Mike, Montreal. Corey Moore, Pittsburgh. Brian Bain, Winnipeg. Michael is Rangers. Just realized I forgot to tag someone in. Rangers is, yes, Michael. Daryl, Ottawa. Steven, Dallas. Tony, Columbus. Jordan, Philly. Richard, Tampa Bay. Jordan, Carmichael, Florida. Greg, LA. Joe, Arizona. Jared is Calgary. Jordan, Broderick, Vancouver. Joe is St. Louis. Jordan, Kennedy, Washington. Mark, Buffalo. Paul is the Islanders once again. Ryan Bain is Minnesota, San Jose, and Kevin is New Jersey. So there you go. Let's get this started. We also, like I said, need to find out which box of Chase the Greats we're going to open. There's only 9 boxes left right now. There's 1 box going to be open today, and there's going to be 2 boxes open on Sunday, so that only leaves us 6 boxes after that. Right now, here's our list of boxes that we have left. We got 4, 7, 8, 10, 15, 17, 19, 24, and 27. So out of those 9 boxes, 1 box has a McDavid, 1 box has a Gretzky, and all the other boxes have got nice cards in it as well. So let's see what we're going to open here. 4 randoms. 1, 2, 3, and lucky 4. Box 27. Box 27 is the lucky one that we're going to open here tonight. So used to doing nighttime breaks, man. Today. All right, let's mark 27 off our list. We'll grab it from the shelf, and box 27 it is. It's waiting there for me. All right, this one feels a little bit heavy. Not going to lie. Feels a little bit heavy. Here's box 27 of Chase the Greats. Yep, feels kind of heavy. Like I said, I know what cards are in there. I don't know what pairings they are, and I definitely don't know what boxes they're in. So I'll get just as excited when I see the cards as you do. All right, so let's get this started, guys. Good luck. Let's get these. Let's get this camera fixed and started. We'll get you on your way to your weekend then. Ryan trying to get some last-minute trades in here. Chase the Greats, let's go first. We're going to go with 15-16 Contours down here. Daryl Mercer, not sure if you're in the house, but you got a last-minute trade offer if you want to take it. Here we go with 15-16 Contours. Club Crest for the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Nice one for Buffalo. Buffalo, Mark. And we got a Winnipeg Jets, Blake Wheeler. What's up, Lucky Greg? I'm sure you saw your teams already, have you? I think it was Edmonton, Anaheim, and Chicago. Where was your other team? We have a Contour rookie resume auto for the Detroit Red Wings, Andreas Athanasiou. Detroit, Corey Moore. And we got Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. So you might hear some construction going on outside here today. We got construction going on for the next week or so. Usually you don't hear it in the nighttime when we're doing breaks in the nighttime, but daytime is a different story. We got another Club Crest, this one for the San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Golovin. Okay, San Jose is Ryan. And we have a PK Subban, numbered to 499 for the Montreal Canadiens. And last box, we didn't take too long to get through a box of contours here. Autograph, Youth Movement, Calle Jarnkrok for the Nashville Predators. 186 of 399. Okay, Youth Movement, Nashville. Nashville, John Sanford. And we got St. Louis Blues, numbered to 499, David Backes. 15-16 contours into books. Let's do, believe it or not, I'm going to actually do 15-16 O-Pee-Chee Platinum because I opened a box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum last break and I did not enjoy it whatsoever. That was a box of 16-17. This is a box of 15-16, but still, let's get it out of the way. Ben Bishop, Tampa Bay Lightning. And we have a Malcolm Subban, rookie for the Bruins. Try to get through this half quick. Matt Puempel for the Ottawa Senators. Yeah, you're Panarin and McDavid hunting. Not very often you get to do both of those at the same time. NHL All-Star for the Buffalo Sabres. It is a red prism, number 2, 149. Jorgensen's. Buffalo. And we had a rookie of Sergei Plotnikov. NHL All-Star foil, Philip Forsberg for Nashville. And we got Tyler Seguin, Max Domi, marquee rookie. Evgeny Malkin, Pittsburgh Penguins. And UC Saros for the Nashville Predators. Justin Falk, Emile Poirier, Calgary Flames retro. And Garrett Sparks for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Antoine Bobo for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And Nicholas Patan, the Winnipeg Jets. Corey Perry for the Anaheim Ducks. Corey Perry. Connor McDavid, baby, marquee rookie. This is numbered 4 of 75, blue cubes. I'm not sure if you can see that on the back of the card there, but it looks like maybe the color of the pack kind of wore off on it or something. But nice card for Edmonton. Connor McDavid, 4 of 75. Nice one, Lucky Greg. Nikolai Golovin for the San Jose Sharks. A little bit of San Jose Sharks autograph love going around. San Jose is Ryan. And Nick Shore, LA Kings. Ryan Getzlaf, Anaheim Ducks. And Zachary Fucale for the Montreal Canadiens. Ryan Strome, New York Islanders. And Jacob Delarose, Montreal Canadiens. Mark Sheffley for the Jets. $200 book value. Nice, Colby. Thanks, man. $200 BV on McDavid. Yeah, it doesn't take much of a McDavid card to get you a good BV when it's a rookie. We got Trophy Talent, Yuri Hudler for the Calgary Flames. Yeah, I believe Daryl hit, what was it from? Fleer Showcase, I think. He hit Fleer Showcase. It was numbered to something. Anyway, the book value on it was like $400 or $500. Just a plain card numbered to like, I'll say 50 maybe. Johnny T, team logo die cut for the Islanders. And we have a Mike McCarron for the Montreal Canadiens. 4 boxes to go after this one, guys. Another team logo die cut. This one for the Coyotes, Shane Doan. And Matt Murray, marquee rookie. There's another one. This one's McDavid marquee rookie, and it's actually a foil version as well. Corey Crawford, Galchenyuk. Yeah, there was a marquee rookie there, man. Sorry. Jonas Donskoy. They all look alike. Foil for Camilleri of the Devils. And we had a foil one. This one is just a regular marquee rookie for the Oilers. Lots of McDavids in this box. All-Star Corey Crawford foil version. And we got a Colorado Avalanche Mikko Rantanen. Okay, last but not least, then we're moving on to 13-14 Ultimate Collection, followed by some classic signatures. We have Athanasiou, marquee rookie for the Red Wings, and a foil of Mike Green for the Detroit Red Wings. Moving on, guys, 13-14 collection, and then we're going to go looking for some Legends autographs and the classic signatures. Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl, 226 of 499 for Carolina. We have a Ultimate Rookie for the New York Rangers, J.T. Miller, numbered to 499. On the back is a dual jersey of Minnesota Wild Matt Dumba. Dual jersey. And the autograph of the box is for the Pittsburgh Penguins. It's an Ultimate Rookie on-card autograph of Olli Maatta. 65 of 299 for Pittsburgh. Nice one. That one's for Corey. And that is it for Ultimate Collection. Short and sweet. We're moving on to 12-13 Classics. You're guaranteed 1 autograph per pack. In this one, you get 6 packs. So we're looking at 6 autographs here. Sometimes you get more than 6. We've gotten 8 into one box. Toronto Maple Leafs, we have Thompson. Classic Signatures Toronto is Mark LeBlanc. Errol Thompson. It's an old school auto for the Leafs. And we have a retired number for the Buffalo Sabres, numbered retired 1990 for Buffalo. Okay, Washington Capitals, Dale Hunter, retired 2000, number retired 2000. And the autograph is for the Rangers, Andy Bathgate for New York. New York Rangers is Michael. Nice card, man. These are some old school autographs. Brett Hull, retired number 2006 for the St. Louis Blues. And the autograph on this one is Inaugural Inks Joe Nieuwendyk for the New Jersey Devils. That's a nice one. Numbered 66 of 100. For New Jersey Devils is Kevin. Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur, retired number 1985. An autograph for this one. Boston Bruins. Boston is Jeff Goit. Milt Schmidt for Boston. Love the classics. 2 left. Let's see if we can maybe find a double hit pack here. 2 autographs to 1 box. What do you think? Detroit Red Wings, Stevie Y, retired number 2007. And after that, Bill Clement. That's an old school one if I ever did see it. For the Atlanta Flames. How about that one? That one is going to, since the Atlanta Flames transferred into the Calgary Flames, that will be going to Calgary. And Calgary is Jared. Nice hit. Bill Clement. And last but not least, let's see what we got waiting in the last pack mojo. For the LA Kings, it's a retired number of Dave Taylor, 1995 retired. And the autograph for this one, the New York Rangers, once again, we got Harry Howell. Harry Howell, hilarious. We hit a high-end Harry Howell card a long time ago, and every time I see him since, I gotta laugh. Harry Howell for the New York Rangers. Good stuff, New York Rangers with 2 nice classic autographs. That's both going to Michael. Good stuff, man. Congrats. And now 15-16 Ultimate Collection, followed by our famous Chase the Greats. Good luck. Here we go. All right, seems like our stream went down. I'm afraid to hit the live button again, unfortunately. I'm going to hit it once again, but hopefully it doesn't take us off our recording. Let's see. All right, what's up, guys? We lost the feed for some reason, man. I don't know what happened that time. The local recording kept going, so the video's still recording here. But I had to start a new feed, so let me know when you're here. I still got the box of Ultimate Collection and the box of Chase the Greats to open, so I'm gonna have to re-tag everybody in, I guess. Sorry about that. Corey. All right, let's get everybody tagged in here. Sorry, guys. Yeah, sorry, fellas. The stream went down. The recording kept going, so I can always put the recorded version never stops, so I can always put the recorded version up on YouTube and on our Facebook group, just for anybody who is curious. The recording never stopped. All right, I had to redo the stream, so everybody slowly make their way in here. I'm getting everybody tagged in. Sorry again. It's a terrible way to not watch a video, I know, but there's not much I can do about it, man. I've done everything the same way I always do, and the stream literally just went down out of nowhere. All right. Last pack of classics. That's a good question. Let me see. Harry Howell for the New York Rangers was the last autograph. Harry Howell. For the Rangers. Sorry, guys, if you're just tuning in from the other break, we did lose the stream. The recorded video is still rolling, so I will put that up on the YouTube and on the Facebook just for everybody to see. But let me get everybody tagged in here again. Joe, Mark, Greg, there's a few more missing. All right, guys, let me know if you're here. Just drop a comment in the chat here. Let me know that you're here and everything's okay before I get started to open. I know the video cut off, so we got, unfortunately, the breaks halved. The two big boxes on the last video and the rest on the start. So just let me know. Jared's here. Who else? Let me know if you're tuning in, guys. We lost the feed on the first half, so sorry about that, but we're back with the two boxes ready to open here. Last card was Atlanta Flames. Okay, well, if Atlanta Flames was the last card you guys saw, then the last card of the box, I guess that's right before we lost the feed. Harry Howell for the New York Rangers was the last hit of the box. All right, so that is it for classics. I'm sorry about the stream again. We just took the plastic off Ultimate Collection. The seal's still on here, as you can see. Ultimate Collection, and then we got Chase the Greats, still box 27, obviously. All right, let's do it, guys. Good luck. Sorry about the inconvenience. Something always goes wrong no matter what, man. No matter how much you plan. 15-16 Ultimate Collection. Let's see if we can find some good ones. Up first for the Ducks, we got Nick Ritchie. That is a autograph rookie numbered to 99. 77 of 99. Boston Bruins, jersey card number 240. It is Tuukka Rask for Boston. Little Buffalo Sabres love, iconic fabrics, numbered to 65. 60 of 65 for Jack Eichel and the Buffalo Sabres. A fight strap autograph number to 25 for the Ottawa Senators, Mike Hoffman, 14 of 25. And Buffalo Sabres, Linus Ullmark, 117 of 299 here. And last and final, we got our Chase the Greats, guys. Hopefully it was worth the wait and all the messing around that we just done with the two different streams, but box 27 of Chase the Greats, let's rock it. All right, up first for the St. Louis Blues, we have 6 of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch, Brett Hull. Brett Hull for St. Louis, that's going to Joe. And the big one of the break is goal horn worthy, I think. 7 of 25. There is the big one everyone's been waiting for. Connor McDavid. Black Ice Signatures. So number 27 was the lucky box with Connor McDavid in it. 7 of 25 going to Lucky Greg, man. Nice stuff. Congratulations. Nice way to end the break. So Chase the Greats, McDavid is out of the checklist. We do have a couple nice cards left, but unfortunately, McDavid is now gone. We do have some Gretzky, some Orr, some Sundin, some Sakic left. Lots of nice cards, but McDavid, that is it. That's all she wrote on McDavid, guys. All right, well, appreciate you filling this one up. The break is over. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. And don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.